Alright, so first vlog, but today I'm gonna install coilovers. I finally got coilovers after like 5 months of owning the car. But here I got Godspeeds on a firm, yes sir. And wheels, hopefully, I don't know how long, but to clear the gap, it's probably gonna tug. Hopefully like that much, so like right here, we'll see. And then I also have to do the wire tuck in the engine bay so it doesn't rub through the harness. But yeah, so right now I'm heading over to Tony's, GT Tony, and then we're gonna install it. And I'll record more once I'm there. But yeah, and also got this done. I haven't updated in like I don't know how long, but I haven't done anything to the car, just this and like window visors, but that's nothing. But yeah, see y'all there and then give you an update. I come back, forgot the most important thing, the jacks and the jack stands. All right, heading to D-Tony. Fucking started it. All right, so we just got to Tony's house. He's over there. I don't know where he's driving, but I'll pull my car in here. But I got the Godspeeds here. Let's check them out, bro. I don't know what this little mark is. I don't know if that's normal or not. What is that? There's like a little paint thing here, and this like mark. But yeah. Oh, look at it. Tony's car. Yeah, that's just power steering fluid. But is the before right here. Before. Before. Without the weight in the back. And then, yeah, install. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Less than 3 hours, hopefully. Oh. All right. She's already putting one in, but.
Huh?
Please. Wait, do we have to do the tuck first? Or can we do it with that in?
Oh, we can do it with that.
Yeah, I think we'll just adjust the height after we install it, but we both got the struts out. The rear is like really simple. It's just, you pull this right here. There's 3 little nuts. Wait, do we keep the spacers in? There's like spacers on top of the strut. Do we keep that in?
No, actually, yeah.
Yeah.
I think I'm pretty sure I put mine back on.
Oh yeah, no, I think it's, no, you keep it. I keep that, but take everything, take the 3 nuts. There's literally a bolt and a nut right here. This is this. And then take both sides out. Yeah, that's pretty simple. It took like 10 minutes. And then push this, just like step on this and then yank it out. And dude, what you have to do on the front. Same thing on top.
All right, let's see. So I did this before, like 30 times. Take these off at the top, take the little plate off. It just comes off easily. And then you come down here, sway bar link comes off. You gotta make sure both tires are off the ground so it could be like even or whatever and just pop out. Then coilover bolt after should be right here. Sorry, it's so freaking dark. Hold on, where's my flashlight? Coilover bolt, this bolt right here, that comes off. And then you have to move the coilover up, remove that bottom bolt right here, this one, and then move the coilover down and remove this bolt, and then the coilover should slide to the left. And then you just bring it forward, and then you kind of angle it like the flashlight. You kind of angle it like this, and it comes right off. And now you got this new one coming in.
The rears are on. It's test fitting, but not bad. Should go down more. It's gonna tuck the wheel, bro.
Yeah.
Once it's on.
These are bigger.
All 4s are on. Shit, my phone might die. Hey.
I need a 17. Is it on that side?
Can't you use it?
17 black.
17 black. Yeah. Okay. So we're almost done with the wire tuck right here. Already got it up. I had to take the battery out. I had to just loosen this thing, this little Phillip tube, and basically, because it was running up under the fender right here with the little this thing right there, but now it's running from, instead of through under, we put it through this one and then over the top and then down here back to the hole, boom, and then back to the hole it came from. And I had to cut some rubber pieces to like foot it through, but hey, we're right here. Alright, wire tuck fully done.
Yeah.
Oh, forgot about the battery.
Yeah.
I put the battery back in and the wheels. Oh, should we do that? Do that before or after? Before. After, I don't know.
Who the fuck needs water fluid in this?
Yeah, look. Oh wait, this too.
What?
Should we cut the rubber?
Yeah,
Oh, this. Yeah, look.
tighten that shit.
Yup. It's all done. Brand new coilovers. It still has a sticker on it. I'm gonna leave that. Just leave that in the car.
This is like the only way to go, like that. I don't know, as long as the battery.
Oh yeah, yours is not like.
Yeah, mine is not.
Yeah. It's not like I need that, but everything's done. And I'll just show y'all when it's outside on the floor. Alright, it's at nighttime now, but I had to raise up the car like a lot because of the big speed bumps by my house. But this is the front. Right here. Yeah, this is the rear right now. The rear is like looks a lot lower, but there's these big speed bumps by my house. I feel like especially over there, is big. But going to the canyon right now. Meet up with Tony again at the gas station. Have to shower and stuff after that, like 5 hours of working on the car. But yeah, looks good. Looks good. You let it settle, and then it should be a little bit lower. And I have to adjust with the height just to see whatever works, because I have to drive this every day, so I can't be scraping everywhere. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Yo, gas station. Fill up some gas, but it was hella low in the back. Shit. What did you drop? It looks pretty good. Pretty good. But damn. GT Tony and that shit. Window. I'm gonna put it up.